Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts. Today I'm going to do a flip through of this journal, and I started this journal back last June, July, and I was making it for somebody special in my life, and so the sad thing is I have not gave it to them yet. So I am going to go ahead and do the flip through because I finally finished it, I do believe. Sometimes when I flip through I do see where I need to change something. But I'm going to do a flip through, and then that way I can go ahead and give it as a gift. And so this one, I've just tied this blue turquoisey ribbon around it, and that's just to hold it together. And I left it super long in case she wants to use it and it gets chunkier, she can just, keep tying the ribbon around it. I did just put a little label here that says Love Always, but there's enough room that if she wants to change it, she could always change that out. So for the front cover, I've just made a little pocket here, and then inside it, it's just a little journaling card that says, "You are beautiful in every way." So I really enjoyed creating this one, and this one I did a little different for the cover. I took and I sewed the cover almost like a quilt top, but not really making everything exactly the same size, the fabric pieces stuff. I just sort of sewed it together how I liked it, and then on top of that I've added a lot of lace and covered up some of it, but you can still see the colors through. But you can see here how all the squares were different sizes, and then I've just zigzagged them together to create the cover. And then I've layered purple lace and just a cream color crochet lace, and I did the same thing here because there's a lot of purples and pinks in this one, and then some blues. You can see there's blues as well, and that's what's in the journal as well. So this kit that I used two kits from My Porch Prints, and I will link below to them. I'm trying to remember the names of them, and I can't write off because it's been a while. So this flip through, like I said, it's been months since I really started this journal. And so there's going to be a lot of things in it that I don't remember. So I'll have to try to explain it to you as we go along. But I've just, I've not been able to craft as much as I used to. So I'm just getting around to doing this. I'm getting back to crafting some. So I wanted to do the flip through this one before I gave it away. So I will link below to the My Porch Prints kits. And if I can remember to, I can put it right here across the screen so you'll know which ones I used. But it's a beautiful kit. When you see it, it is a gorgeous kit. And I'll have to look and make sure that I didn't mix. I know I mixed at least two kits, possibly three. I'll look and see, but I think it's just two. So in the front here, I took there was pockets that comes in the kit. I decided to take those pockets and create, I'm pretty sure that's how I did this one, and create just one pocket. But like I said, it's been so long, I'm having a hard, yes, it was. So in the kit, you'll see that she has these pockets that it looks like a tag shape, and then you got a pocket you glue in the front. So what I did is I attached those together, then I sewed around them, and I made a bigger pocket for the front of my journal. And so there are some tags that I put in the pockets, and then I made sure that I just glued it on two sides so that you can use it as a pocket as well. And I know this one, it just hit me when I saw it. It's Roses and Letters. It's the Letters and Roses or Roses and Letters kit by My Porch Prints. So for the first page here, I've just added a little flip out, and I've used some cardstock that I had that I thought went really well with these papers. And this, it's a pocket here at the top, and this card came from Little Birdie Crafts. I can try to link below to everything if I remember. If I don't, just ask me in the description. I do not mind coming back and adding links later. It's just that sometimes I forget when I'm editing to add all the links that I need to add, because there'll be a lot of links for these because I've used a lot of variety of things. So there, I've added a pocket here, and then I've added a pocket on the back, and then here's a card. And hopefully I get this to her before I put this video out, because I'll tell you this is for my niece. And so her first name starts with an A, so I have put that there. She requested one for her birthday in August, and it's been that long that I haven't got the journal done, but hopefully she'll understand. There's been a lot going on, and she'll understand that. So I love this paper. I did print on a lot of it front and back. So my first page is on a cardstock so that it's a little sturdier. And then I have a little pocket here that I've put in, and this is just cardstock I used, and then another little booklet from the kit, and then I've just used the tags from the kit and some butterflies. And these butterflies, I can't remember if they came from the kit or if they came from a paper pack that I have. I've just brought a bunch of things together to create this one. And so the pocket wraps over the page, and then it's just a pocket on the side. And this did come with the kit, and I thought that was perfect to put on the page there, so that's what I did. And then there's some journaling cards. And then here's another page. And so I've left the pages fairly blank so she has room to add photos or to write or do whatever she wants to in it. And so then here is a pocket made from tea stained paper or coffee stain, I can't remember, and then I've just stenciled it, added a little cluster here, and then I've just added some journaling cards, and this one is from another Little Birdie paper pack that I had. Little Birdie Crafts, I think is what it's called. And so then here I've made clusters, and so I've done that all the way through. You can see there's tabs all the way through here, and each one of the tabs, these tabs came in the kit, and so I decided to make clusters to go over the tabs. And so I've just used some fabric and some, like a little doily piece, then some of the paper from the kit. Let me see if I can hold that up so you can see it. Some paper from the kit that I fussy cut around, and then I've just put some Tim Holtz wording there. And so actually these are tuck spots. Let me see if I can find something to show you. So you can just tuck stuff in there as well. So that's another little tuck place. And then here we have a pocket. Now this is the pocket that came in the kit. So you open it up like that, and then you got a journaling card inside. And so I just put it together, you know, like the kit says to. But then I glued it on so that it's a tuck spot as well. So I've just sewed around some of the cards. And this is from the kit, and this is from Little Birdie Crafts. Another piece of that cardstock that I had that I thought went really well with this kit. And then I've stenciled it. Another piece of cardstock that I had that I liked with this kit. Then I have some sheet music here, or a hymnal. And then here I've stenciled onto the back of this paper. Oh, let me take that back. This is a stamp I actually have. Let me see if I can hold it up. That is an old stamp that I have. And so I've just stamped with some light color pink onto the edges there. This is just cardstock that I had. And then I thought it looked really well with this kit. And so that's more of the kit. So I created this, and I have a video where I created these last year. And they're just little journaling spots, but they're also paper clips so that you can add them to your journal, and then you can add photos in there, or you could journal in there. And so I do have a video where I created this, and I'll try to link to that below as well, or I may put it in the upper right hand corner if I remember to when I edit the video. This is just some scrapbook paper that I had, some more of the kit paper, and then these are some little journaling jars that came in the kit. And then I've made this cluster in a video before, and it's just when I make my snippets, I think is what I call them. I forget what you call them now, but I collage them. And so this is one I've made, and I just added it to the pocket, and this is just a layered pocket that came in the kit, and then I've just decorated it up with that. And then here's a pocket. It's a paper bag, and just made a pocket out of it, and then I put some journaling cards in it. And then here is flower on it. Another piece of cardstock that I had. And then this is like, I think that's the Roses and Letters kit. And I've just made a little cluster there. And this is a fabric page that I made. And so inside there is another envelope with the journaling card. And then we have a pocket here with some journaling cards. And then on this pocket, I've made an itty bitty pocket with an itty bitty tag to put there. I like doing little pockets like that. Here's a journaling card. It says, "Fall in love with your life." And that was another one of the Little Birdie kits. Here's another one of those clusters like I was telling you about. And I've just used some fabric and doily and some music paper there. And then another one, the Tim Holtz wording, and some flowers. And these flowers, I'm not sure where they came from, but it was probably some paper that I had. And so then we have another little journaling spot here inside of this pocket, and that's the center of the book, and I've just stitched around it. So then we have the other side of our fabric page. I've just decorated up. I've added some pockets here with some tags. And then I always have my fabric pages being pockets as well, but there's nothing inside that pocket. And then here's a belly band I created. And then in this one is an envelope. So I have another piece of cardstock. And then here's the other side of that paper bag, and it has a little journaling card in it. And then it has a little pocket on the back side. Another one of those clusters that I had. And then in here I've just put some of the journaling cards that came in the kit and tags that came. And this is a layered pocket that came in the journaling kit. So here's another little cluster that I created, and with the tabs, and it is another tuck spot. And then I have a little paper clip that I created here with a little plastic rose, and then I'm holding the envelope in with the tag. And then I'm just gonna clip that on there. And I thought this little plastic rose went so well with the kit that I put it in here. And she doesn't have to keep it in there. She could use it in her planner or anywhere. This is more scrapbook paper, paper from the kit. And I also made this in a video before. And so it's using 6x6 paper. And so it's a little pocket that holds some tags. And then I have this little tag I made for that pocket as well. And then it's also a little side pocket with a little folder for journaling in, and you just slide that in there. And then I've stenciled the back of this paper, got some more music, a little flip out here, and then I've just took and put this little tag in there that has a little journaling card, and then it has another one in the pocket. And I'm just clipping that on with my, let me see if I can slide that in better. Clipping it on with just a little metal clip here. I can't think of the name of anything today, so forgive me. Okay, and so then there's just more pages, another pocket with a journaling card, and then we're getting close to the end, so I think the rest is mainly journaling pages with a little tea stain paper flip out, and then you have a journaling page there. And I did not put a pocket in the back. I decided to leave that plain. And then for the back, I think I showed this to you already. So this is one that I completed. I finally completed this at the beginning of this year. It just took me several months because I worked on it for a while and then I took a break from it, and life just got in the way, so I finally got it finished. So I wanted to show you guys before I gave it to her. So I'm hoping that she likes it. It is junk journaling, and so not everybody is crazy about junk journals, but she did want me to make her journal, so I decided to try it and see. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.